Unai munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua eenda Mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga Asakue Maundu kukon'ya uni wake wa uteti athyumuiye uteti wa musyi kana eukitia usumbi kikunguni kyukite cha usumbi. Gachagua ni walulumelelia ivango ona yumwe ya President William Ruto ya kwatha Raila mwanya wa Mutongoi tawe Prime Minister ni wangangania wa uteti na eenda Raila aswaniene samatambia make uteti vala ingi waende ya kululumeleli onyuvi wangu atanio ya Raila na President William Ruto kukon'ya cheni kana uina cheni onavanini kulani nenes ya usumbi wa 2027 Benjamin Mwaka ena mauvo.
Mudano mwetu wa Raila na Ruto kutoa isiombano na anyanya moma wakuweko ya State House Mombasa. Ulonai munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua nuwa vakandaka kikaloki aiweta yini nzia ya useleke na ya tenetene ya kumukenga Raila kuislamu wa dhuma wa nganganya na miana di ute wa katiba.
Let them be very careful. I have heard them promise him to be Prime Minister. That is a lie, it's conmanship. There is no such position available in this country because it's not there in the Constitution. William Ruto is playing Raila Odinga. Let me tell you. There is no such position. So it's just a con. Number two, I think to be fair to Raila Odinga, I think he has risen above that position of Prime Minister. The man has wanted to be president 5 times. He now wanted to be the chairman of the African Union Commission. I think taking him back to the position of Prime Minister is a bit demeaning.
Onugu ovuga Gachagua nuadho cha mwanga mwa Raila kana nongina atwa isio nene nyana ati make vumuna nyanya make bewa kutangasa mwelekeo ulokosa wala yuka Gachagua ukwenda Raila swane osiendu ile Asakue kuthyumuiye uteti wa musyi kana edho wati yeu edho 11 kukitia kivila chosumbi mwaka nuwa ngili na miongoli na mwanza. Gachagua weta dena dhinona umakutwa isio nene nyana Raila ate oni lasma evetangane na President William Ruto vyo.
The former Prime Minister has 2 options, in my view. I cannot advise him. I cannot pretend I have the capacity to advise him. He either retires in dignity or he goes for the presidency. If Raila Odinga does not make a decision to destroy his legacy and support President William Ruto and decides to join the rest of Kenyans in trying to liberate our country and get it back in the right footing and calls upon us for a discussion on the possibility of working together in whatever formation.
You're open to that?
We are open to that discussion. And I want to take this opportunity to tell the supporters of Raila Odinga from Nyanza that they should not fight the mountain people because we are not their enemies at all. We have a problem with President William Ruto. We have no problem with Raila Odinga and ODM.
Gachagua ni waweta kalata kwa usumbi ukite kakasi ndoko isla kula siaki mani na isavu ya President William Ruto usumbi ne the lufio.
1, he has betrayed the mountain. Number 2, he deceived us that he will work for us, he will do our projects, he will fix the economy, he'll make sure business is thriving. He has done the exact opposite. He has destroyed the health system. SHA is not working. The economy is destroyed. Overtaxation, destruction of business, evictions, demolitions. Really, the country has come to a standstill. Our first priority is that we are going to have a presidential candidate from the mountain. And we'll appeal to other Kenyans to support us. If we find it's not feasible, we'll support others. Kalonzo is an option. We looked at his numbers, our numbers and other numbers, and it's doable. Raila's is even more exciting. If the Mlembe Nation united and they have a candidate and we from the mountain supported them, they'll be president by 12 o'clock. The same with Matiang'i. So if we decide for whatever reason that it's better to support somebody else, whoever we decide to support, that will be the next president of the Republic of Kenya.
Na kwa ivinda ya mbeviu ni wavidu otongo yuwa chama chake kila chete lukwa wendi munene aiweta kina ungami wa otongo ikuma mbaye ni kuthukanyo livo ya kamba na iyo wetete nzama ibya IEBC mini kusewa no kana anyanya na ateti anyuve huungua chama chake mekunenzo wa UDA tanzemwe akuyambia uteti no vamusi kwisla by elections ivelani kivathukanyo.
Our interim national chairman is from Kajiado County. Our interim national organizing secretary is from Machakos. Our interim deputy party leader is from Kakamega. Our interim assistant national treasurer is from Kuria in Migori. Ours is a serious national party. I'm the party leader.
Okay.
It's a serious national party,
yeah.
But it's the home of the mountain. And by the way, I do admire Raila Odinga and ODM. We may have had problems with Raila Odinga, but give it to him. He crafted a very serious political machine that has been there for 20 years. Again, the quality of leaders that are elected at the ODM is admirable. In fact, I will be going to ODM for benchmarking. I must talk to Raila Odinga. I must ask him, Mzee, how did you craft this machine? How have you kept it going for 20 years? So we decided that we want to wait for the IBC to be constituted. Then we launch our party so that we pick up with the momentum. We'll have several by-elections. We are going to force a little general election after IBC is constituted, because our people do not want to live a lie.
Vilingi wa mauvo kumova kauntini ya Ilovi. Nye, Nito Benjamin Mwakam.